Hi mga bay! Ako di ay si April na ay asawa ug anak living in Dubai. We're here! This is a grass. Is this a fake grass or no? It's a fake grass. Oh yeah, it's a fake grass. Yes.
Balik lang.
This is our day 1 and this is our room, and beside it is yung elevator na sobrang cute.
I'm a lit kid beat.
How was it? Huh? It's cold? Oh, kumusta ma?
Ice cream.
Ako daw? Ako sa videohi sad ko ha? O videohi ko dong. Unsay lasa?
Hi. Hindi ka rin
Hi mga bay! We're here dito sa may corner banda. Nakarating kami ng mga alauna sa Airbnb. Tapos, nag-relax lang. Tapos, nag-grocery kami. Bumili kami ng tubig, mga snacks para sa baon namin bukas. Kasi magsa-start yung tour namin bukas. And ngayon, pupunta kami sa Cascade. And then, after that, punta kami ng either sa Grillian or sa Lavash Restaurant for our dinner. And time check, 8:01, and yung temperature dito nasa 13 degrees. So, sa aircon sa office namin, 18 degrees, nilalamig na ako. So, how much per 13 degrees? Ay hot choco and nasa 400 grams. So, kung i-convert to sa dirham, para nasa 3 point something. So, para lang din siyang chai sa Dubai. And magkano sukli mo?
8,000.
It's okay, no problem. We're just taking vlog. Thank you so much. Yayamanin.
18,000.
An hour. Yeah.
Angel on the track. I'm a lit kid beat.
Oo, Kimyo. Oo, ramen. Yay! So, our first destination is yung Cascade Complex. So, nilakad lang namin siya from our Airbnb na mga around 15 minutes. And finally, we're here. Ay, katunga ma. Paduol ka? He wants to. She wants to hug. Oh, you say hug, hug. Aiden, she's crying now. You want to hug? Aiden, you want to hug? Oh, hug it now because she's crying. So cute. Ang cute. Si Aiden andon. Kasi may batang babae na gustong mag-hug kay Aiden. Kaso, ayaw ni Aiden eh. Ayaw ni Aiden kaya umiyak yung babae. Ang pretty pa naman ng bata. Kaso, mahiyain si Aiden. Ayaw mag-hug.
So deep. No, it's...
Ang cute. High five! Yay! High five! Yay! Yan!
Naman may nga nito picture na ito.
To the left.
tired? Did you play with me?
Yes.
Cute ka na si Mia. Mia is cute. Oh, yeah? Mia.
Oh, no, yes.
Zombie daw. Oh, play zombie.
Relax ka kay Mia. Lupigyan mo siya Mia. Kay dako naman kaya. Ay,
Ari na.
alam ba?
Pero ari man ta.
Asa?
Straight. Hello! From Cascade Complex, naglakad lang kami siguro mga around 10 to 15 minutes again. At nakarating kami dito sa Opera and Ballet Theater. From the theater, supposedly kakain kami sa Lavash restaurant. But we changed our plan.
To eat ribs
So, kakain kami ng
or steak.
steak. No, ewan ko may steak ba doon. So, kakain kami sa Grillian. Dali, dali. Abri, wani. Ari, dong. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's look for food. Mama will look for food, okay? Money pang breakfast na na. Okay. Oh, Mama will slice. You want apple juice? Lami. Thank you. Nice. Oh, hi, bye. So I have the ribs and sausage with bacon and potato. And meron kaming rice and chicken soup. And we have mojito juice and a beer. So verdict, how's the food? Good. How about you, pasado? Boss. 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 Are you okay? Okay. Are you okay, boss? Yes. Are you okay? Okay. There's a small